If you don't want your Facebook profile showing up in Google, Bing, or other search engines, Facebook lets you turn this off in just a few taps. Here's how to do it. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you've signed into your account. Tap the menu button in the bottom right corner on iPhone or the top right corner on Android. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now scroll down until you reach Audience and Visibility section and tap How people can find and contact you. Look for the option that says, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Tap this option. If the setting is turned on, you will see a switch or checkbox allowing search engines to link to your profile. Tap it off. Facebook may display a warning explaining that it may take some time for search engines like Google and Bing to remove links to your profile because they need to update their search indexes. That's it. Search engines should eventually stop linking directly to your Facebook profile. Keep in mind, this doesn't make your Facebook profile completely private. People can still find you on Facebook depending on your privacy settings, mutual friends, and the information you've chosen to share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials. And thanks for watching.